8 Google Chrome Productivity Tips to Work Smarter. Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make your browser work harder for you, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing 8 powerful productivity tips for Google Chrome that can help you save time, stay organized, and streamline your workflow. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who spends a lot of time online, these tips will take your Chrome game to the next level. My name is Hone. I have a strong interest in technology and business management. I operate a business that offers outsourcing services to clients in the fields of fintech, e-commerce, and AI. Let's jump right in. Key tips for Google Chrome productivity. Custom extension shortcuts. Configure custom keyboard shortcuts for Chrome extensions by visiting Chrome//extensions/shortcuts. This lets you access frequently used tools like Google Translate or a screenshot extension in seconds. Bookmark all tabs for projects. Use the Bookmark all tabs option to save related tabs in a single folder. Open them all at once when needed, and archive or delete the folder when the project is complete. Use Chrome user profiles. Create separate profiles for work, personal browsing, or specific tasks. This keeps extensions, bookmarks, and cookies isolated. Use the guest profile for presentations to avoid embarrassing or confidential content popping up. Set up custom search engines. Add custom search engines to search specific websites directly from the address bar. For example, type Wiki plus tab to search Wikipedia, or Reddit plus tab for Reddit. Configure this under Settings, Search Engine, Manage Search Engines. Separate work and distractions. Select multiple tabs you're actively working on by holding CMD, Mac, or Control, Windows, then drag them into a new window. This keeps focus tabs away from distracting ones like email or music. Search and switch tabs quickly. Need a specific tab? Type its name in the address bar, press Tab, and select Switch to this tab. This saves time when juggling multiple tabs. Close and use tabs in bulk. Regularly move less important or used tabs to the right. Right-click the rightmost active tab and select Close tabs to the right for a clean slate without manually closing each tab. Master essential keyboard shortcuts. CMD plus T. Open a new tab. CMD plus W. Close the current tab. CMD plus Shift plus T. Reopen the last closed tab. CMD plus L. Highlight the address bar text. CMD plus Shift plus B. Hide or show the bookmarks bar during screen sharing. Thank you for your time. If you enjoy the video and looking for more tips to increase your productivity, please like, share, and subscribe.